Plank variations to lose weight and get six-pack abs. Struggling to shed those extra kilos? Did you know that nearly 2/3 of Australians are overweight or obese? And it's not just about looks. Excess weight can lead to serious health problems. Did you know that core strength is essential for overall fitness and injury prevention? Weak core muscles can lead to poor posture, lower back pain, and even increase the risk of injury. But don't worry, we've got the perfect workout for you. Hey everyone, today we're tackling a big goal: losing weight and getting those six-pack abs with plank variations. You won't need any equipment, just a bit of space and some determination. Dynamic plank. The elbow-to-arm plank, also known as a plank up-down, is an excellent exercise for building core strength and stability while also engaging the shoulders, chest, and triceps. The dynamic movement increases the workout's intensity, promoting calorie burn and enhancing muscular endurance. This variation helps improve upper body strength and overall core stability, contributing to weight loss and the development of well-defined abs. To perform this plank, start in a forearm plank position with your elbows directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and lift one arm off the ground, placing your hand on the floor and extending your arm straight to move into a high plank position. Follow with the other arm so that you're in a full plank position. Reverse the movement by lowering one elbow back to the ground, followed by the other, returning to the forearm plank. Continue alternating between the forearm and high plank positions. Plank leg raises. Plank leg raises target the core muscles while also engaging the glutes and lower back. The added movement increases the workout intensity, helping to burn more calories and strengthen the abdominal muscles, aiding in achieving a six-pack. To perform plank leg raises, start in a standard forearm plank position. While maintaining a straight line from head to heels, lift one leg off the ground. Hold for a moment, then lower it back down. Alternate legs and repeat the movement. Ensure that your hips stay level throughout the exercise to avoid unnecessary strain on your lower back. Plank and twist. The plank and twist targets the core muscles, including the rectus abdominis and obliques, while also engaging the shoulders and back. The twisting motion enhances core stability and mobility, increases calorie burn, and helps sculpt the abdominal area, contributing to weight loss and the development of six-pack abs. Begin in a forearm plank position with your elbows directly under your shoulders and your body in a straight line from head to heels. Engage your core and bring one leg forward, placing your foot outside your hand. Twist your torso and raise the hand towards the ceiling, reaching as high as you can. Bring your arm back down to the plank position and return your leg to the starting position. Repeat this movement with the other leg, alternating sides. Keep your core engaged and avoid letting your hips sag throughout the exercise. Plank oblique dips. Plank oblique dips to specifically target the oblique muscles, helping to tone and define the sides of the abdomen. The dipping motion also increases the intensity of the workout, promoting calorie burn and overall core strength. Start in a forearm plank position. Lower your hips towards the floor on one side, then return to the starting position and dip to the other side. Alternate sides continuously, keeping the movement controlled and your core engaged. Plank reach feet taps. This variation engages the entire core, including the rectus abdominis, obliques, and lower back. The simultaneous reach and tap motion increases the challenge, enhancing balance, coordination, and stability. This exercise helps to burn calories and strengthen the core, contributing to weight loss and the development of six-pack abs. From a forearm plank position, lift one hand off the ground and extend it straight in front of you. Simultaneously, move the foot to the side and tap the floor, then bring it back to the starting position. Repeat the movement with the other leg, alternating sides. Keep your core tight and your hips stable throughout the exercise. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporating these plank variations into your routine can help you shed those kilos and achieve those six-pack abs faster than you think. So, are you ready to transform your core and your entire body? Hit that like button if you found these tips helpful, and don't forget to subscribe for more fitness content.